to California, seen the sights and people there. Walked the streets of sleepy sea towns, tasted salty ocean air. Once I flew to New York City, took my picture in Times Square. Soho nights and Broadway lights, such a pity you weren't there. Pack your bags and...
When you're out in nature, do you use your imagination? Do you see things in trees and rocks? I kind of see a sleeping turtle. He's got his shell and the head. Maybe we can get closer and try not to wake him up. Shh. What? Uh-oh, I think I woke him up. He sees me. Camp Edison is located in the Sierra National Forest, approximately 50 miles east of Fresno, in a central California small community called Shaver Lake. The campground is described by the locals as the Hilton Inn for campers. Built in 1963 and run by the Southern California Edison, the campground is on the rolling hills adjacent to beautiful Shaver Lake. The campground has 252 spots available with electrical hookup, barbecue pits, fire rings, picnic tables, and food boxes. The facilities at Camp Edison are well kept and clean, with a lot of amenities as well as artistic attention to details. On the grounds you can find a store, laundromats, volleyball areas, an amphitheater, and even a little read and return library. There is also a boat launch available on the property, and nearby you can ride horses or rent boats. Wi-Fi is also available for a fee at designated campsites, although AT&T and Verizon internet services are also good. Right outside the property, you can even find a museum that was founded by the Central Sierra Historical Society. For an additional charge, there is a duck also available. If you bring your own water toys, such as kayaks or large boats, be prepared to somehow get them down to the water, as most sites have hills and forest between the campsites and the water's edge. If you have a toad or another small vehicle, parking can be found closer to the water. However, if you have a Class A or a Class C, the only parking allowed is at your campsite. On the Camp Edison website, there is a detailed map showing the different loops, as well as a detailed information on each specific site, such as slope and size. So this isn't necessarily working out quite the way we thought. When we came to the lake and we made reservations and we looked at the map, I'll show you right here, it looks as though the campsites are all right on the lake, which was our assumption. So we thought we were going to be close by, but that's really not the case. Prices at the campground vary based on the size of the spot and proximity to the lake, starting at $45 per night. A price chart is also available at their website. While showers are available at the campground, not all restrooms are equipped with them. You will also need to purchase shower cards for $5 each upon checking in or at the store later, as they do not take quarters. We felt that the campsites were spacious and that we were surrounded by enough nature and wildlife to enjoy the serenity that the park had to offer. Overall, we will definitely be returning to this little paradise oasis community that might well be the Sierra's best kept secret.
Don't tell anybody, but the elderberry is the most sought after, because you are right on the water.
Don't go to 108, that's the one we went. Right, look at that.
Oh yeah, right, you're
a hop,
here.
skip, and a jump, and you were there.
Exactly, 108. This one's nice too. 118 through 132. Yeah, I mean, doesn't get much better.
Even if it's a loop right there.
Look at that. You're right on the water. Elderberry.